Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my work in progress and a few completed small kits that I made. Let's start with my work in progress. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots, Thomas Kincaid's design, Be Still Spring. This diamond painting is pretty big for me. It's 22 by 28 inches. To tell you the truth, I do not like sizes like this. I do not like bigger sizes. I prefer sizes like 16 by 20 centimeters, or 16 by 20 inches, or 40 by 50 centimeters, or 40 by 60 centimeters. I'm trying to avoid any diamond paintings in the size of 70 by 50 centimeters and more, because it is very inconvenient for me to diamond paint it on the one hand, because just look at it, it doesn't even fit the table, and it is very inconvenient to diamond paint, so I have to roll it to fit it on the table, and it has a lot of confetti. It has a relatively high amount of colors, 45, and to tell you the truth, I do not even see where I would hang it. If I had a bigger house, maybe, but other than that, I don't even have space to hang such a huge diamond painting. So I guess it is my last time purchasing something of such a size, unless I really like the design. Then most likely I will purchase it, but no more than 75 by 50 centimeters. 70 by 50 is more or less okay, but anything that is more than that is already, for me, pretty hard to diamond paint. But in any case, I really like how it is turning out. Although it had a lot of confetti, I think that it is diamond painted pretty fast. I replaced only a few colors in the windows with crystals, and I also used white ABs instead of regular resin white drills. And I really like how it is turning out. I diamond painted like 70% of it. I have only this part left, and I think it will turn out gorgeous, because this is cherry, like it is cherry blossom, I would even say, and it is diamond painted mostly with a white and pink ABs, and I think it will turn out to be fantastic. So I purchased it on Diamond Dots website during their sales event on Black Friday, and I really like how it's turning out. There is one more design that I actually like. It is similar to this one, also the church and the birch tree, very beautiful, but the size is the same, 75 by, 55 by 71 centimeters, and it is the only thing that stops me, although the size is pretty standard. I even purchased a frame for it in Walmart for like, I don't know, 20 bucks maybe, or even less, or maybe $15. Here it is. So, not sure, but this is the first thing that I wanted to show you, my work in progress, Be Still Spring from Diamond Dots. Another kit that I wanted to show you is already completed. It is a so-called mini break kit. That's how I call them, because I usually diamond paint such small kits in between my bigger projects, or during the time when I'm waiting for someone, like I'm waiting for my kid while she's doing some activity, or if I am waiting for my parents during their medical appointments. So just to kill time, so to say, or to use the time with profit, I would better say, I diamond paint small kits that are very easy to carry and pretty fast to diamond paint. So I took it with me to Florida. I went to Florida for a few days, and I diamond painted it in the airport and at our relative's house where we stayed during the night, and I completed it, and I really like it. It is a partial diamond painting kit, like a very nice, cozy scenery, Christmas related. It contained 11 colors. All of them were crystal drills. There were a few, as you can see, special drills like the Christmas ornaments. I really like how it turned out. The only thing that I did, I replaced one color with white AB. Like, do you see this color on the windows? This one, transparent silver color, right? Everything that you see in white AB was supposed to be diamond painted with a silver color, but I thought that silver color doesn't really belong, for example, when it comes to diamond painting this, I don't know what it is, an oven or something, right? It would look weird, white oven, diamond painted with silver transparent drills. So for example, the chairs were supposed to be this color, the tablecloth over here. So it looked weird to me, and I decided to replace this symbol, which was symbol 1, with white ABs, and use the original drills only on the windows, which makes sense, like the illusion of glass, right? So it was diamond painted very fast, and I really love how it turned out. Really very beautiful, festive design. If you need the link, I bought it from Temu. I left it in the previous video unboxing. So if you want to buy it, you can check the link in the previous video. So this is the first kit that I completed. And the other two are these mandalas. I also diamond painted in my previous video. By the way, guys, the camera doesn't do it justice. The sparkle is insane. I'm not sure why the camera doesn't show it. I mean, I'm trying to put it, I don't know, vertically. Maybe it will, no, like this maybe. But again, doesn't do justice whatsoever. The sparkle is way better than what you see on the camera. No, maybe the aquarium doesn't let it shine. Let me turn off the light. Well, I guess the light didn't really allow it to sparkle. That's how it looks. Still, the camera doesn't capture the sparkle that I see. As to the other two, there were like 5 mandalas. This is the first one that I diamond painted. To tell you the truth, I didn't like the crystals. They were of a very low quality, somewhat dirty and dusty. However, I like the final result. The final result is fantastic. I think they look really cute, but technique-wise, when it comes to the drills were horrible. All dusty, ew. So, and this is the other one. I didn't even finish the other half, only this. So, again, the camera doesn't do it justice. The sparkle is way more intense than what you see here. So these are 2 kits that I completed during my visit to Florida. I really love the state, guys. Whoever lives there, it's a gorgeous state, very warm, very bright. The ocean is fantastic, and I have like 4 more left. So this is all for today, and just not diamond painting related, just wanted to show you my aquarium. I actually bought 1 aquarium first. This one is a gift for my daughter. I wanted just to give her 1 betta fish because our cat died. We had 2 cats, and now my husband doesn't want to have any more cats because it was very hard for him to let the other cat go. We had to put her to sleep because she had cancer. So he doesn't want any more cats. I mean, I would take 1, but he doesn't want. So I decided to get a betta fish, and in the end we ended up getting 2 aquariums with 3 betta fish. But these are females, so they do not fight that much. But when I put them with neon tetras, the other betta ate like 2 of them. So I have only 1 left, and I will buy more, and I will never ever put betta with the neon tetras. They were supposed to coexist pretty peacefully, but apparently they did not. Although I had a male betta, that one didn't touch neon tetras. And males are way more aggressive than female bettas. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for many words. And I hope it wasn't very redundant. And have a nice day. Bye.